welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many of us can relate to: how to convert gray hair to black naturally. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to reverse the signs of aging in your hair without using harsh chemicals or dyes? Well, you're in the right place. 1. First, let's understand why our hair turns gray in the first place. It's all due to the natural aging process, where the pigment cells in our hair follicles gradually die off, leading to the loss of color. 2. One natural remedy to turn gray hair black is by using a mix of amla, retha, and shikakai. These ingredients are known for their hair-darkening properties and nourishing benefits. 3. Another effective method is to massage your scalp and hair with coconut oil and lemon juice. Coconut oil helps condition the hair, while lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent. 4. Aloe Vera Gel is also known to promote hair growth and improve hair color. Apply aloe vera gel to your scalp and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. 5. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and have been used for centuries to darken hair naturally. Boil curry leaves in coconut oil until they turn black, then strain the oil and apply it to your hair. 6. Don't forget the power of a healthy diet. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12 can help maintain the health of your hair and prevent premature graying. Several natural ways to convert gray hair to black without resorting to harsh chemicals. Give these methods a try and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Remember, embracing your natural hair color is beautiful at any age. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching.